Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the top 3 exchanges to buy and hold XRP or Ripple. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first website is Coinbase. If you haven't already heard of it, it's one of the most reputable websites or exchanges, crypto exchanges, that you can use to purchase plethora of different crypto coins. So this is the first website. The second website is BitGet. This is also a good exchange that you can use to buy XRP. The third website is going to be Binance. I have this application right here, or you can just go to Binance.com. Where it is. So this is also one of the most reputable exchanges in the crypto manosphere. So you can also use this exchange to buy XRP. So yeah guys, these are the top 3 exchanges that you can use to buy or hold XRP. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.